Hey guys, Justin Cole, the car guy here with Alex. He's our service manager here at Accelerate Auto Repair and Collision in Rowlett, Texas. You can reach us at 469-501-5115. And today we're going to talk to Alex a little bit about his history in the business and his experience with the primary brand is Subaru, but we service all makes and models here. So, Alex, can you tell us a little bit about how you got into the car business?
Yeah, so I really grew up in the business. My dad was a service manager for many years, and it's just something that I've always been drawn to. Of course, when you're a kid, you want to be a race car driver and the pilot or fighter pilot, Top Gun, and everything. But just the way that the world works, the automotive business really kind of came into it, and everything worked really, really well. And from performance automobiles that I did actually race to Subaru, which I was with for about 15 years. Started with them in 2010, and really just grew with the brand from their reintroduction of CVT transmissions to their chain motor introduction, the 4-cylinder engines, and so on and so forth, the direct injected engines that they're putting out now and everything. So it's, really kind of running the list of everything.
Awesome, awesome. And you, I think, if I remember correctly, had like 1,000 horsepower.
Yeah, that's back when I was cool. I used to have a pretty quick Eagle Talon, turbo all-wheel drive, big turbo, and lots of money.
Lots of fun, lots of money.
Oh yeah, miles per gallon.
Cool. And you're a second generation car guy? Isn't your dad?
Yeah. So he was in the business, and we also grew up doing a lot of jet boat stuff. So big blocks and turbocharged, carbureted boats, and you name it, and dirt bikes too. I grew up very fortunate to live in a performance kind of automotive industry family.
Awesome, awesome. And this is actually your daily driver here, right?
Yeah. Old faithful here, 2009 Outback, a little bit over 250,000 miles on it. Just keeps on trucking. So.
Yeah. So, and you started with Subaru back in 2010, is that right?
2010, yeah. It was March of 2010, actually.
Wow. And you touched on the CVTs. They tried those back, was it in the 80s?
Yeah, it was in the late 80s, the Justy. If anyone remembers the Justies, they were not a super long run on those, but they did that. So, a lot of people think that Subaru just came out with the CVT in their brand in 2010, which is certainly not the case. It was a reintroduction of it, but it's a learning curve for them for sure on that thing, bringing it back. So,
yeah, and then you were a service advisor, and you have service management experience with Subaru,
yep.
And at one time you were ranked nationally in CSI.
Yeah, I was actually the #1 ranked advisor in the country for customer satisfaction. So 500 some odd stores. You figure each store probably has 3 or 4 advisors. That's a couple people.
Yeah, and that's another reason to bring your Subaru to us. We're definitely very experienced. Alex, obviously, as we've already discussed, we have ASE Master Certified technicians here that would love to take care of your Subaru and pretty much all makes and models. Yeah. We recommend you call us and talk to us about what you have, what your needs are, any issues you may be having, so we can get you scheduled in. And we don't charge for diag fee as long as we don't have to use tools on the car. A scan tool is fine, but if we have to physically take your car apart, we're going to need to pay our technician to do that. But usually we can give you a very good idea of what it's going to cost to get your car fixed without going hands-on with it very much in most cases. So yeah, I don't know if you had anything else you wanted to mention or not, but
no, really, excited to be here. Fantastic place to work, and just excited to get cars taken care of the way that I know that we can, and that the owners of the cars deserve to be taken care of.
Absolutely.
Without paying crazy dealership fees.
Yes, that's our #1 goal, is to take care of everyone who comes through our front doors. A lot of companies will tell you that, but if you look at our reviews online, we average, it varies, but it's 4.7 to 5.0 stars on Google and other sites like CarWise. We do have a client lounge with Wi-Fi, coffee. We offer free rides home as long as you don't live in Oklahoma or something like that. I guess we'll close with the fact that we also have a collision center here. So iCar Platinum certified technicians. We work with all major insurance companies, and we're here to help you with that also. So we appreciate your time. Again, it's Justin Cole, the car guy at Accelerate Auto Repair and Collision here in Rowlett, Texas, 469-501-5115. And we're at www.accelerateautorepair.com online. Thank you very much, and we look forward to seeing you soon.